The much-awaited 27th Samsung Unpacked event, which will introduce the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5, will take place the next week, on July 26th. We've been waiting to find out which online rumors and leaks were true over the previous several months, but it's nearly time to find out. Some really chic and colorful cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 have just surfaced in one of the most recent leaks. The only way to get a hold of this is if you're willing to pay for it. The eye-catching Galaxy Z Fold 5 cases were included in marketing materials provided by Ashan Agarwal on Threads, which may have included official photos of the products. In comparison to previous generations, when larger S Pen sleeves sometimes caused usage difficulties, one noticeable change is the far less noticeable S Pen slot, which seems much more smoothly incorporated. The frequent tipper Ice Universe shared a picture of what seemed to be Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 cases on Twitter. A dedicated S Pen slot is included in these cases, and it seems that the holster can be removed when not in use. As a result of Samsung's choice to emphasize a thinner form, previous speculations suggested that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 would not have a S Pen slot. The most logical approach seems to be integrating the S Pen slot into the case, even if it is neither revolutionary nor novel. We won't have to wait much longer to witness the unveiling of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 together with all of its accessory devices, since the Unpacked event is just around the horizon, as was previously reported. Pre-orders for both smartphones are currently available, and those who do so will earn a $50 credit toward any further pre-order promotions that Samsung may reveal on July 26th. If you're looking for a way to get your hands on a free copy of the book, you've got to check out this one. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.